The first thing you do is make sure you've added lining to your bag before you can put this type of lock. First of all, you get the middle point, of the bag, and mark it. So that's the middle of your bag. Then you now take your lock and trace out the inside, the shape of the inside. Then you cut exactly that shape out. Then after cutting it out, you now lose the screw. Lose the screw on the lock, the female side of the lock. And place the front of the lock on your bag. Make sure it gets inside the hole that you opened. If it doesn't enter inside properly, you can cut it a bit wider with your blade or with your cutter. Then you can fix your lock. Make sure it gets the leather outside, gets inside the frame of the lock. After fixing the front side of the lock, you need to turn it to see if it's bending, if it's straight. You need to check it properly. So you now add your, make sure it is, those leathers are well tucked in. Then you can fix your flat washer at the back of the lock with the screws. So you can place it and screw it up. The next thing you will do is to get the other side, the male part of the lock. You cover your bag, make sure it's well placed, and you get the middle, the particular point where the male side of the lock will be attached to. Measure it, then you can either punch or open it with a cutter or a knife. Then after opening it, you can now attach the male side to it. Please, if here you are in this channel for the first time, please consider subscribing. Please consider subscribing, like and share our videos, and please turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post any video, you will always have the notification. So this is our final project. This is, how to attach this type of locks to your bags. It's very easy. It's what you can do at home. It's what you can do when you're fixing your bags. Once again, I want to say thank you for clicking on this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share our videos to those that have not seen it and those that have seen it. Please turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post any video, you always see it. Thank you for watching. So this is our final project. You can see. Hope you've learned something. Hope you've learned how to fix a lock now, this type of locks. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.